that how it works? I think so. So I need like a creep. Blade mail instead of Vanguard. Vanguard this late is useless. Blade mail.
Oh, they're
Okay.
off rush. They're off rush.
Let's fucking go. Should I blink into the Roche bit? Is that suicide? Mech. Armlet. I just ate all of that. Ah, shit. Oh, that's not the armlet. This is the armlet. Okay.
That's actually pretty funny.
Okay.
No, I somehow couldn't leave in that body.
Blade mail. Where is it? Blade mail. This one. Oh, I can buy it outright. Okay, that's kind of great.
Your bottom tower ain't long for this world.
I don't think it's even gonna matter, because I think we just won.
Tower. Might want to check your bottom tower.
Yeah, I think this is it. Maybe. Yeah, definitely.
Check your bottom tower. Dyer's done it again.
Nice. The salt is gone. It has been purged.
Now let's get to know each other.
Sport Wraith can get 8 kills. Okay. Support Wraith King apparently works reasonably well. Alright. Yes, I saw the sniper armlet video. It was kind of ridiculous. It's like, well, he sure is Korean. And Honey Badger gets 5 stars. There we go. Cool. Chat taking responsibility for the win. Alright, okay, you can have that one. Quick break. What's the time? Ooh, alright. We'll play one more game, and then I'll wrap it up for the evening. Alright. Sorry, the queue took a while. Final game for the evening.
Check it out.
See how it goes. I would like to play Lena. But it might give me single draft. I'm still in the single draft queue, so it's possible.
Do what you have to do.
All pick? Alright. We're going for Lena then. I'll go last game of the evening on a hero that I know. There we go. Lena is rolling. I will do my best. Oh! How do I in with Spanish-speaking people again? This will go well. It always does when you ask people to speak English. They need to sort that shit out. The queue is just a preference. It throws you in with whoever. And it shouldn't, because frankly, it's a game based on team communication, which you can't do if you don't speak the right language. And this is the US East server, so you would expect English to be the primary language. Yeah, I know you can filter languages. It doesn't do anything. You can filter as many languages as you want. It will not make a difference. You will still be queued with people that primarily... I mean,
10 seconds to go.
Again, I don't even know what any of this is. So...
5 seconds.
Yeah. It's a bit infuriating. So I guess we're going to have to communicate via pings, as usual. That's one thing Dota needs to get its shit together on.
Like a wildfire.
Okay.
Places, everyone.
Right. He bought the wards. I'll bet a career.
Yes. Oh yeah.
Yeah, the language filter was a suggestion and doesn't actually work. So, yeah.
I'm going.
Not really. Okay, are we Elder Titan? Who? Where am I going? Elder Titan combo might be good.
30 seconds to
It'd be nice to go
showtime.
with Bloodseeker, actually.
To battle. Time to hot-foot it.
Yeah, I mean, honestly, especially when, like, the two primary languages in the US servers are Spanish and English, there
Yes.
should be enough players to queue people with the same language.
Burn a path.
It just makes it easier on everybody.
The game is on.
I don't know if there's a Latin American
I
queue.
go like the blazes.
I haven't looked. What's the pause for? I will ask. Why did Brown give... Well, so you can put it somewhere. Why else would he give you one?
All right, carry
The
on.
heat is on. Heat wave.
It's easier, because then you don't have to stay out of lane as long, so you can ward both sides of the map.
Quick.
It's smart.
On it.
It's like, why do you give me this? What is ward? I wish to carry.
I go like the blazes.
Okay, we have a tiny and a centaur.
Fire went and fortified their structures.
And I have no idea what any of this means. Like, alright.
To battle.
What? Someone blew a fucking fortify? What the fuck? Are you
Yes.
kidding me? Oh god, it's gonna be one of these, isn't it?
Yes.
Wow, he went damage return. I should be focusing the tiny instead. Ow! God.
Burn a path.
Okay, focus the tiny and not the centaur because of the damage return.
Oh yeah. Like a wildfire.
I mean, this... Nah, they'd probably have the mana to
Time to
stuns.
hot-foot it.
They're gonna throw things at me, but hey.
Quick.
Better my blade than theirs.
All right, there's the double stun,
Slash and burn.
which should. No, but what? Where you going? I'm gonna die to fucking creeps.
Heat wave.
Yeah, I'm coming, but you know. Oh shit! And they made me burn it. Damn. I'm surprised he managed to juke around. I'll give him credit for that. I'm not sure why he decided to go that way, but whatever works. And I'm not going to hit that because my mana regen will disappear.
Heat wave.
I'm not 100% sure what the Bloodseeker is doing at this point, but whatever.
I go like the blazes.
Can we take that mana regen off? That would be lovely. Apparently we
Like a
can't, though.
wildfire.
These guys seem to know what they're doing. Because my mana was almost full by the time they managed to hit me.
I'm going. On it.
Just need to make sure the Bloodseeker gets farm and doesn't die. That's the plan.
To battle.
Try and deny, try and harass, all that stuff. It's
Burn
not
a path.
started well, though. That would have been a good opportunity for a stun, but it probably wouldn't have turned into anything.
Yes.
But I am on maximum mana, so I should be using it.
Oh yeah.
That could be
Oh,
fine.
that's hot. Yes. Yes.
Don't really want to be hitting that guy,
Yes.
but someone's got to damage him.
Bring in the heat.
Mm-hmm. I would, but he wasn't stunned, so it didn't make a difference.
Legal tinder.
And you were in.
I'm going.
Because I'm not convinced I can even reach this shop at this point, so
I go like the blazes.
considering how pushed the lane is. I should have bought the courier, though. He's all the way over there. It's going to take a while for me to get those. There you can have that. Yeah, it's right there.
Time to hot-foot it.
That's maybe an opportunity. I see it, but he's dodging and weaving.
Oh,
I
yeah.
can't hit him. He's always moving. He knows. Besides, going in there doesn't make any sense. Okay, now is good. There you go. Okay, so focus the tiny, but we're not focusing the tiny. All right, I understand.
Temperature rising.
Oh, hello, tiny. Okay, and I'm gonna die. Maybe not. Go on, focus the tiny. Shit!
Too many
Damn!
items.
I meant to click him, I missed, and that made me turn around, but it looks like we get 2 out of this, so it works. Oh, don't lose. Oh, he's not going to be able to catch him. Oh, no, he can. There, nice! Cool. Excellent. We're in a good spot. Great, that was totally worth it.
Is it me? Or is it
Let me buy the flying courier, shall we? There we go.
Special delivery.
That'll make things a little bit easier for everybody. And I got my boots.
Yes. I go like the blazes.
I shouldn't have died there. It was dumb. I misclicked. I meant to click on him to attack. Instead, I clicked on the ground, which moved me towards him and got me killed.
I'm going.
That was pretty bad.
To battle.
I'll just go maybe a bit too aggro. Cancel my animation.
Time to
So we get a bit of
hot-foot
cash
it.
here and there at maximum range, hopefully. There we go. I'd like
Burn
to
a
ward.
path.
I'll just ward here instead of going the more risky. Oh, I don't have wards. What am I talking about? I meant to buy them, but I didn't get them. That's not how you spell wards. There we go. And
Yes.
it's in my recommendeds anyway, so I'm not even sure why I'm doing that.
Quick.
Yeah, I guess actually it was Centaur. I would have died as soon as I
Like
clicked
a
on it because of the damage
wildfire.
return. So yeah, I was dead one way or the other. What I should have done is just backed off.
Heat wave.
I don't know, it's a bit dicey. Let them get another push, and then maybe I can throw down some AoE on them and push them back.
Oh yeah.
Right. missing?
Bottom is missing.
Don't know whether... Oh,
Helter Swelter. My flame burns brighter.
okay, this is an opportunity.
Yes.
Okay, now I've got to back off, but that was good. That did a lot of damage. It was efficient, and that'll make them think twice about coming near.
On it.
It's a good shot.
Oh
So we
yeah.
just need to do that again. Not level 6 yet, but we can... Well, Tiny
Like a
is backed,
wildfire.
but can't really do much here.
Yes.
Who is Diego? I don't know what's going on.
Heat wave.
Nice, you got Tiny and Centaur
battle.
ignored him. Brilliant. that worked well. I managed to keep the Centaur's attention by wiggling,
Time to hot foot it.
so I'd say that worked the way that it was supposed to. And if I get level 6, I
go
might
like
be
the
able to actually blow
blazes.
the Centaur up.
Burn a
I
path.
also need arcane boots.
I'm going.
Okay, cool, level 6. Alright, so we have the Centaur. And the next is...
Burn
should I
a
get...
path.
Should I get one before arcane boots? That's a good question, actually. I'd like the chat to answer that. Do you get magic wand first, or do you just try to rush arcane boots in this light?
Time to hot foot it.
With Bloodseeker always so low on mana, but he's not really even that mana dependent though, is he?
Yes.
I would like to know. Anyway, now I at least have the ward, so let's go use that. Ooh,
Like a
he's going in.
wildfire.
I guess he is. Alright. Yeah, I wasn't actually ready for that,
Oh
but
yeah.
I was mistaken. He dies anyway. GG. Okay. Good. Well, I guess we definitely rush that now,
Heat
because
wave.
we almost have it anyway. And I can go ward here.
All right, carry on.
Yes.
Like, really, if you pause the game and don't give a reason for it, people are just going to unpause it. Generally, people are fairly mana about it. We found, like,
Not yet.
this idiot yesterday who was just, like, spamming unpause. I don't know why it is that the same person can unpause the game multiple times. That doesn't really make a lot of sense to me, and it's
I'm
maybe
going.
something that they should fix. Maybe I should just take the jungle instead.
To battle. Yes.
There's a lot of pings going on.
Fire
I
away.
want this, but it means going to the shop, which is where Centaur is.
Quick.
So, I'm
Go
right
on
near my
the
secret
road.
shop, so why don't I just go and
How
do that?
about that?
I can't do much in the lane with no mana anyway, so...
Yes. Time to hot foot it.
There we go.
Burn a path.
Cool.
Like a wildfire. Oh yeah.
Alright, so Centaur's kind of free farming, but I can get some far of my own because Centaur can't reach me.
I go like the
So,
blazes.
I don't want to harass him because I'll take damage, but I can take creeps because he can't really stop me.
Fuel for my fire.
Too slow.
To battle.
Should be slightly earlier on that. Can deny that.
Somebody's cooking.
Should have just
Two
waited for me
down.
instead. Bloodseeker is roaming everywhere, so that's great. No, Tiny wasn't on our team.
Yes.
Oh, sorry. Yeah, it was like it was a game previous where someone had DC'd and the Zeus on our team kept on pausing. And it's like, you mad? What are you gonna do about it?
One of the other fellas.
We were all trying to pause to help this guy get back into the game. He was on the other team, so we're just trying not to be arseholes. And this Zeus just kept on pausing, and it was the fucking stupidest thing. Like, I'm really surprised that you're able to do that. The same person should not be able to do that.
Yes.
I guess I can just start throwing that at him. That's mildly annoying and also kills creeps here and there, so there's that. Does he have some kind of... Does he have
Yes.
lifesteal? Does he have an item? No. Oh, wow. He rushed Hood of Defiance. Okay. Well, guess who I'm not killing anytime soon, then.
I'm going.
Ah! Too slow.
I go like the blazes.
I'm still sort of holding this down.
Bottom is missing.
Don't know where he's gone now.
Time to hotfoot it.
Ah. Come on.
Quick.
Fucking come on. Be less shit.
Oh,
God!
yeah.
Suck less. Come on. How hard can it be?
To battle.
Thank you.
Bottom is missing.
Uh-oh.
Burn a path.
That centaur. Shit's going down up top. I should go help.
2 down.
Heat wave.
Well, what do you know?
There's the stun.
Heat wave.
You die. That's good. Okay.
Hot.
Alright.
I go like the blazes.
I don't have mana. Can't do anything.
Time to hotfoot it.
Alright. Well, we got someone killed, so
Yes.
that's good. Alright. Urn of Shadows, probably the next thing.
On it.
The other fellas lost the
right, me too.
mid tower.
What is he doing? Oh, shit. I wasn't in range. Fuck.
Like a wildfire.
I blew that completely. I don't know, I've got 5 seconds to Arcane Boots.
Burn a path.
Oh, someone's coming in from the back. I think we have to leave them to that, though. There's too many creeps that'll actually kill me on the way.
Yes.
But I think Bloodseeker might get both, so...
2 down.
He did.
To
Very nice.
battle.
Yeah, Bloodseeker clearly knows what he's doing. Our previous suspicions about Bloodseeker were clearly wrong.
Quick. I'm going.
A little ring around the rosy. Sweet.
Oh yeah.
Seeker is a machine.
Yes.
I like him. Still sitting on 200 HP, which I don't really like. But... Oh my god. It's the tiny. Hang back. If I'm going to be useful here, I'm going to be useful by providing a
Oh,
stun
yeah.
and nothing else.
I'm going.
Mana and 5. Oh,
Heat wave.
there you go. Can I have my urn yet? Bloodseeker has a monopoly on the
Time to
courier at the
hotfoot
moment.
it.
He has too much money. He has a Dagon! Wow. He really is going to blow people up, isn't he?
Burn a path.
Okay. I don't know about this, but... Oh, that was completely incorrect. And I hit the tiny, so... Oh, and I exploded! But I killed the tiny, so I guess it's not the worst. And the Ogre Mage dies for that, so... That's fine. I don't mind. Bracer, Magic Wand. Well, I got the urn, so I don't need the Bracer, do I? No. It's not... Bracer is not part of urn. Bracer is part of fucking drums. Obviously. Moron.
That's 4 in a row. The other fella's top tower had a little accident. Your mid tower
Things are not going
needs a
well for
little
them, I've
help.
got to say. Well, I can buy a 1. No! Bring it back! That's all my shit, for some reason.
The other fella's
I
aiming to
don't
wreck
know
your
what
bottom
half of this
tower.
is.
Throw another hit. on it.
Urn? Yeah, no. Magic 1 recipe. Yeah, that's mine. TP scroll, that's not mine.
Your
Okay.
bottom tower's in a
Yes.
tight spot.
This is mine. Shit's still going down.